agree. I was the one who ended up our history. Well, it looks like you wrote the last page to me. Your friends say you got a new man. Girl, that's so not cool in so many ways. These were supposed to be my carefree single days. Instead, I'm punching walls and coming up with ways to win you back from your new man. To ease the pain of thinking about your love and your new man. Well, did you get the literature I left in your bed? Told you keep it frozen and caught fire instead. Have you not heard a single word I've said? No, you were busy loving your new man. Goodness garage, his name is probably Raj. He probably drives a truck and his hands are probably huge. I bet he fixes things around your place when they break. If he says he likes your cooking, he's a fake. Girl, please say he doesn't tuck his shirts in. Please say he doesn't wear a gold chain. Please. Things were going great. I even went on a date. Then I found out about your new man. Driving me insane. Got to get religion just to ease the pain of thinking about your love and your new man. Well, did you get the literature I left in your bed? Told you keep it frozen and caught fire instead. Have you not heard a single word I've said? No, you were busy loving your new man. Oh, come on. That kiss was meant for me. Trust me, he'll get way too drunk at your Christmas party. Your friends will laugh at first, but as the night gets worse, collectively they'll run off your new man. And who'll be standing there looking like Fred Astaire? Me. And I'll be singing, where, oh where have you been all fall while I was having a ball? Certainly not with your new man. Crying your name, the thought of it is driving him insane. He's got to find another just to ease the pain of thinking about your love and your new man. Well, did you get the messages he left on your phone? Told you that he's sorry and to please come home. Baby, you'd have answered, but were you alone? No, you were busy loving your new man, right? You were busy loving your new man, me. You were busy loving your new man, that's right.